Welcome back to Top for Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix P0201 injector circuit open for cylinder number 1. When you're getting P0201, it means that the computer detected there's something wrong with that fuel injector for cylinder number 1. Now, when you're getting this code, you're going to notice the check engine light is going to turn on. You're going to get code for P0201. You're going to notice per gas mileage. You're going to notice an engine misfire. And you're going to notice rough idle as well. Now I'm going to show you guys what you should check when you're getting this code. When you're getting this code, it's because the computer detected low voltage coming from the fuel injector. Now, when that happens, most likely you're going to have a bad fuel injector, or you're going to have a corroded fuel injector pin, or you can have a connection issue or corroded connection, or you could have a wire issue. Again, there are a lot of possibilities. The first thing you should check is for a bad or loose connection. Make sure there are no missing clip, and make sure the clip on the fuel injector is not broken. Also, check the connection itself. Make sure the connection is not broken. This is actually a very common issue, and I see fuel injector connection break all the time, regardless of the vehicle make and model. And of course, make sure to check for bad ground and power going to the fuel injector. How do you check for a bad fuel injector? And there are a few ways. With the engine running, you could touch cylinder number 1 fuel injector and you could feel it clicking. If you don't feel any vibration on the screwdriver or any object you are using, that means that fuel injector is not working. The next way is to use a noid light. With the engine running, back probe the back side of the fuel injector, and if that fuel injector is working, that noid light should flash. The best way to check for a bad fuel injector is to check the resistance and make sure it is within spec. Let's begin. This is going to be fuel injector number 1. This is going to be number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, and so on. So let's test cylinder number 1 fuel injector. And again, the reading should be between 10 to 13 ohms. And of course, you want to make sure to check manufacturer specification to be sure it is the correct spec. So that is 12. Let's check the next one. That's 12. That's 12. 12. 12. And 12. So fuel injector number 1 is good, and all the fuel injector are good. If you don't know the fuel injector spec, you can always compare the reading. For example, if this one's reading 12, this one's reading 12, this is 12, this is 12, this is 12, and suddenly this one is, let's just say it is 17, then that's how you know this one is off compared to the rest of the fuel injector reading. So that is how you fix P0201 code. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.